Day, those January tornadoes that tore through Alabama before dawn on Monday traveled a similar path to the devastating tornadoes last spring, which means several towns were hit twice and hit hard. 2 people died, more than 100 were injured the other night, but it could have been far worse. And we wanted to know how so many survivors knew what to do. ABC's Steve Osunsami is in Jefferson County, Alabama.
So what happened here? Ann and Jim Adams are struggling to understand why. Why them? Why their home of 33 years was destroyed in the tornadoes last April, and why it happened again.
We're probably more terrified this time than the first time.
Yeah.
Because we knew what was fixing to happen.
This time, most of the walls held, but every window shattered, sending them running for cover.
Yes, we
were in this closet.
We were on the floor in this.
And we think, what have I done to deserve this again?
The Adams and so many other families here had time to get to their safe place.
There's a tornado warning
because the warnings came early.
western corner of the state.
Their trusted forecasters started spreading the word last Thursday, days before the storm. While 2 people were killed and there were many injuries, authorities tell us tornadoes that strike at night often kill more. This time, families were glued to their smartphones. Michael Rogers received a tornado alert on his that woke him up. Since Monday, 20,000 people here have downloaded the app and signed on to similar services.
Because it's loud enough to alert you and wake you up to where you can get to a safe place before it hits.
Today, authorities were counting their lessons learned, warning residents that those sirens can't always be heard while you're sleeping behind soundproofed walls.
Remember what sirens are. They're outdoor warning devices.
Outdoor.
Outdoor
Not
warning
inside
devices.
your bed, I'm
They're
asleep.
not an alarm clock to wake you up when weather comes.
They also like to see NOAA weather radios in every home.
Everybody in this state has a smoke detector because it's the law. And we think that every home has to have a NOAA weather radio.
The University of Alabama at Birmingham has another suggestion. They're encouraging families here to keep safety helmets underneath their beds at night because most fatalities in a tornado are caused by head and neck injuries from when the house comes crumbling down. Today, Will and Tiffany Reed shared the most important tip, something they do again.
We would definitely stay in the bathroom.
Definitely. Because?
Because it stayed up. That's the one room in our house that didn't fall in, so.
The plumbing held it together, and they got out alive. Steve Osunsami, ABC News, Clay, Alabama.
Thank you, Steve. And a different kind of